Good morning, everyone. This is Sajid. I'm a teacher. I would like to introduce you how to record your videos quite easily using a video recorder. Recently, I had come across with a video recorder application called matic, and this is a video I will demonstrate how to download that one and use it for video recording. Matic. If you search in the Google, you can find that. Yeah, and you can select the first link, Screencast-O-Matic. One page will be open like this, Screencast-O-Matic, and you can use it for education, for work, for developers, and protect and pricing. And there is an option for start recording for free and try our video editor. As a beginner, you can first try the start recording for free option. And you click on this. There is an option to launch free recorder. Once you click on this launch free recorder, it shows already open because I have already downloaded it. So I'll show the file that I downloaded. Once you download, you will get a file like this. Web launch recorder file will be opened. An application will be opened. Once you click on that, it will show like this, and a file will be opened, and a page will be opened, and the page will be like this. Here you see on the right corner. On the right corner, you can see, here record and screen, webcam, and both. By using this application, either you can record the screen. That means actually you can see this border, and whatever things appear in between this border can be recorded. So, for example, if you want to narrate a lecture, if you want to use a PPT, or if you want to use a video and use it as an interactive session, you can do that very effectively. For example, and if you take up the screen option, and whatever things are there on the screen will be recorded. And again, you can see that there is an option only to, if you do not want to record the screen, if you want to record only your video, it will be better you can select for the second option for the video webcam option. Or if you want to record both, as I'm doing now, both record what is there on the screen and will be recorded. Again, while recording, there is an option to hide either only the video, or it can be selected only the video will come from. That means actually what the screen will be hidden, or else there is an option what you can say video will be hidden. So it can come from, or you can keep the video in one corner, or the screen only will be shown, but the sound will be heard from background. So I would like to suggest this option for using video recorder, so that you can record, edit your videos, and you can upload in YouTube, or you can upload in Screencast-O-Matic website itself, or you can share in the social media, and so that you can make your lectures wonderful. Because we know that actually the teaching methodologies are changing day by day, and as part of the modern teaching methodology, it would be advisable if you could use an interactive website for the interaction with the students, to communicate with the students. You can record videos so that you can share with them. They will watch it whenever they have time enough. They will watch it, they will pause it, they can watch it, and they can enter it there, learn. So I would like to suggest this one, and you can use this one, and comment me your experience after using this video. Thank you.